Where are we going, bro?
Canary, wharf, puregym.
Real, why?
To work out, bro.
Real, but like, why are we going to that one in particular?
Because the gym is closed, because the Jews want a women's, because the Muslims, yeah, they want a women's only workout space and bullshit. Like anyone who's looking at you.
I might have to edit that out, bro. So yeah, we're going to, no, not Galleon's Reach. We're going to Canary. Yeah, we're going to Canary Wharf puregym to work out. I'm doing chest and triceps. What are you doing?
Legs.
Legs, like fucking always. Fucking legs. Hey, could you hold this for a sec? Please, 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 please. I gotta show the camera what flavor we got today. So we got fucking, whatever this one is. Monster. Sponsor me, please. And yeah. It has cucumber in there, so it's gonna deep blow. So in the next clip, I'm gonna be Morgan. I'm gonna be deep blow in this cold. Yeah. So I'll catch you man there. Georgie, where are we?
Canary gym.
Canary gym. We've actually been here one time before.
No.
But a long time ago. It's a pretty good gym. Yeah, and be a terrorist, go ahead. I swear to God, yeah, if that fucking went into like...
Bro, why didn't it work?
Holy shit. Gym looking packed. Nah, but you know what it is, yeah, we can start get away with like fucking... Just putting a tripod in and... You get me? So yeah. I'm gonna be doing chest and triceps, so is George. So we're gonna catch you guys on the bench. Chest and tries, bench. Let's warm up and get it. Just call me because I'll just time lapse. Just speed it off. To be honest, this is probably the worst shoulder press of my life, but I feel pretty content. Yeah, like what the fuck is this? Job almost done?
I'm done.
No. Alright, let me show the camera, bro. These benches are fucking terrible, bro. George, could you demonstrate to us why these benches are so terrible, bro? Look at this. Wobble. Like move around. No, like move around the the back bit. You see like the back little. Yeah, just move about. Imagine you're doing a heavy shoulder press, yeah. And then imagine you're doing like 30s, yeah, 50s. And fucking this shit happens, bro. And then there's a weird like notch to put your legs on, but it's not even effective. Because when I tried it, I almost broke my arms. So, yeah. Canary Wharf benches, bro. Very disappointing. Gym session is complete. You man, what are we saying? What would you say the gym?
Collins is one of the best pure gyms.
Honestly?
It's up there with the best.
Honestly? This fucking gym sucks, bro. First of all, the fucking benches, right, they were extremely like unstable, like very wobbly. The dumbbells sucked, like they had no grip on them. just completely terrible, right? The benches, is like literally the benches were a safety hazard.
PT to go. Comes to your local gym and shits on it.
Yeah, like there's one peg fly, like there's one peg deck. There's one place to do a dip and it sucks, like, I don't know. But I still, yeah, it's still open. Nah, but you know what, you can still get a workout in. Like at the end of the day, it's a gym. Yeah, like if you can get a workout in, then it's good enough, innit? But I therefore think there's better gyms. What I would recommend is, bro, like, yeah, we gotta go gym box. But what I would recommend is, like, this gym needs to replace its benches like ASAP. Like that's like an ASAP, bro. But apart from that, like, I guess that was every machine you could have needed. So I'll probably rate it like a good 6 out of 10. It's not bad, but
It's better than East India.
nah, like, it is better than East India. I'll give it that.
You don't have much service in there as well.
Yeah, nah, this gym had service at least. I'll give it to that. Nah, East India is probably like a 5 out of 10. This is probably like a 6. It's like marginally better, like. But yeah, we're in Canary. The smell of ganja is strong. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Bye bye.